Okay, welcome back to Demo 4. We'll be looking at conditional logic or rules inside forms. So conditional logic is the ability that for you to be able to display fields when certain criteria are met. So if the value in another field is a certain value, then you can make the field appear or disappear as you desire. So let's have a quick look at how this works. I'm going to go through and enter demo 4, and let's open that form and have a look. Okay, so here you can see we're asking for the type of beer. Did you want black and white beer or colored beer? If I choose black and white, nothing happens. If I choose colored beer, you will see a text box appears, and I can now type in a value into the text box. Down here, I can choose a drop-down box. Did I want black and white beer? Nothing happens. If I choose colored beer, this time a drop-down box appears, and I can now choose the color. And you'll notice another drop-down box appears, so I can choose the color of the color. And so you can set this up and cascade these options depending upon what values appear in the other fields. Finally, down here, as I go through and choose how many cases of beer I would like. 1, nothing happens. 2, nothing happens. If I choose 3, you'll notice this time an infographic pops up. In this case, it's a piece of text, and it says for 3 cases of beer, that's good for 4 people if you're going to stay a few hours. Well, let's say if I go get 4 cases, and you can see this time a error message or a screen pops up with an image which is warning me about the dangers of consuming way too much alcohol. Now, a little bit later, when we show you how we create these forms, the conditional logic applies to your radio buttons, check buttons, and also drop downs. And there's different logic you can have, such as equals, not equals, or contains in. So there's a range of options for you. And as I said, that was a quick look at a demo 4. We'll be back shortly.